Step 1. If you want to be TaraYummy, you have to think like TaraYummy. TaraYummy is a mindset. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Mar and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. TaraYummy has taken over my For You page, TaraYummy has taken over your For You page, and today she's taking over my life. I'm sure by now everyone knows who TaraYummy is. She's a YouTuber. She's really known for her fashion sense and her makeup. She always looks great. She's like a Bratz rock angel type of vibe. I love watching her YouTube videos. I think she's definitely one of my go-to YouTubers right now because she's super funny. You put on one of her videos, you know you're gonna have a good time. So because of the fact that she's become extremely popular on TikTok as of recently, TaraYummy has a lot of people trying to recreate her makeup look. A few weeks ago, I actually did a makeup tutorial inspired by her for TikTok, and that was really fun. I felt really confident. I really liked her makeup style. So for today, I'm going to be recreating Tara's makeup look. We're going through her closet. I mean, not her closet. We're going through my closet. We're going through my closet to figure out some TaraYummy inspired clothing. I picked out a few pictures of her yesterday, so we're gonna try and see if we can recreate those outfits, and then I'm gonna try and go out and take some pictures. So yeah, I think we're gonna start with makeup. So let's go. Alright, so we're gonna start off with her makeup look. I've already done my skin prep, meaning sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, all of that. So let's start with concealer because Tara doesn't wear foundation, thank God, because neither do I. I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2.5, which, fun fact, this is one of the concealers that Tara uses in the same shade. I usually put a little bit of concealer in my lids. I'm not gonna do that today because I think her lids are pretty dark and I don't think she wears eyeshadow. It's been a minute since I filmed a makeup video for YouTube. I feel like I'm coming back to my roots. I still do them on TikTok pretty often, so if you want to check that out, the link is in the description. Alright, so the next step is eyebrows, and from her most recent makeup tutorial on YouTube, I think she uses a brow gel, like a tinted brow gel with an angle brush, kind of like this one, and she just goes through her brows. I don't think this is going to work for me because my eyebrow gel is a little bit dry. I've had it for quite some time now. I am gonna try it because I've never tried this before, but I think eventually I'm just gonna go with the eyebrow gel, but for funsies, let's give it a try. I'm gonna take the Benefit Gimme Brow. I use shade 6. I believe it's the darkest one because my eyebrows are literally black. All right. Oh wow, it's working, but I think I'm going a bit too heavy-handed with this. So I'm gonna try and blend it with a spoolie. This is too much work. I couldn't do this every day. I don't even think it's doing anything. Or is it? Are my eyebrows any different? Let me know. Alright, plan B. Let's just use the brow gel. Alright, so the next step, according to her video, is blush, and she uses a blush from SheGlam. I have never tried anything from SheGlam, but the blushes, I see them everywhere. Every girly on TikTok who does makeup has these blushes. I feel like I should try them one day, but never tried anything from them. Looking at her video, I think the shade of her blush is pretty similar to this one from Makeup by Mario. This is in the shade Rose Crush. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of this, and she says that she puts on a lot of blush because blush is the first thing that goes away when you're doing your makeup, which is so true, and I love blush, so the more the merrier. For that reason, I'm also going to be using this one from Rare Beauty in the shade Happy, which is just a really pretty pink shade. So let's go. This is stunning. I love this blush. For bronzer, she uses the Rare Beauty bronzer stick. So do I. I use the shade Happy Soul. I think we're only doing 2 lines down the bridge of the nose. Definitely not what I usually do, so let's give it a try. I like to usually do like a cute button nose moment, but she already has the cutest button nose ever, so let's just go down the lines. Oh, was that too much? Also, I never... Hello? Okay, let me fix this. Like I was saying, I never really do my bronzer before. No, after my blush. I always do it before. So we're trying something new today. Anyways, let's blend this and hopefully it goes well. Now she's gonna start going in with some powders like powder, bronzer, and all of that. I don't think in the video she ever puts on some powder like setting powder. I need that. I have oily skin, so BRB. The next step is powdered bronzer, and she uses the Hoola by Benefit. I have it right here in this little Benefit palette. I'm gonna take some and go crazy on these cheekbones. I don't think she did this, but I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer to the sides of my nose just to set that bronzer stick. She uses a Becca highlighter, and this is the only Becca highlighter I have. It's from the Khloe Kardashian collection, like collab they did a long time ago. It's really pretty. Maybe I'll go for this one since it's Becca as well. Alright, so according to her video, the next step is eyeliner, the famous TaraYummy eyeliner. But her lids still look quite darker than mine, so I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow first. I'm gonna use this Pretty Grunge eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, and maybe just go in with this shade right here. Definitely don't need much. She's not wearing any eyeshadow, so I also don't want to do too much, but let's just go ahead and try to give it a little bit of a shadow. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use this one from NYX. It's the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Everyone and their mother knows about this eyeliner by now. Was that a bit too long, maybe? So the next thing is to make our lower lash line even darker. First, she goes in with eyeshadow and then a black pencil. I'm gonna do the reverse because it's easier for me. Now for that eyeshadow on the lower lash line, I'm going to use the Pretty Grunge eyeshadow palette. It's the same one that she uses, and I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to take a small blending brush and try and fix it. It's a little bit better, I think. The next step is mascara, so I'm gonna do my setting spray first. For mascara, I'm going to do these three because she just has the most perfect lashes. L'Oreal Paradise Static Power Pop Mascara by Kiku, and then the Ultra Tech Mascara by Kiku because it's super lengthening. Do I have TaraYummy lashes already? I wish. I'm almost done with the makeup. I'm gonna use a lip liner and a lipstick, and then I'm gonna add some cute finishing touches. Now for some finishing touches, I want to use this brown eyeliner and do her little freckle on the tip of her nose. I did that when I did my TikTok look inspired by her, and I think that's really cute. And I'm also going to add some rhinestones to my eyebrow to like recreate her piercing. Hopefully that goes well. Alright, so here is the TaraYummy makeup, the piercing, the nose freckle, the everything. The lashes are lashing today. I love. Hopefully I got a good clip because I don't know what to do anymore. Let's move on to the outfits. I screenshotted a bunch of pictures from her Instagram and from Pinterest yesterday as I was preparing for this video. These are a few outfits that I think I'd be able to recreate with my own clothes, and also some pictures that I would like to recreate just because. So I think I'm going to base this portion of the video in these pictures, and I'm gonna go through my closet and find some similar stuff, and I will be right back. I'm only a few hours into trying to be TaraYummy for a day, and I can see why she does videos organizing her room all the time now, because this is the set of my bedroom right now. Clothes literally everywhere, shoes on shoes on shoes, more clothes over there. I get her, I understand her. Okay, now that I've taken pretty much half of my clothes out of my closet, I think I'm ready to start. So the first picture is the one with the shirt that says "Girls Invented Punk Rock." Love that. I think I have these pants. I think they're from Brandy Melville, at least mine are. And I recently got a shirt that's kind of similar vibes, so let's do that one. I have this one. It says "Don't hate me, but rock stars love me." I got this for €3 at Bershka recently, and I've been loving this shirt. It's actually the same shirt that I wore when I recreated Tara's makeup for TikTok. So similar vibe to the shirt in that picture. And for the pants for this outfit, I'm thinking these ones. They might be the same. I'm actually not sure. Yeah, now that I'm looking at her picture again, they're probably not the same ones, but still similar vibes, so that's good. I never wear belts, but she does quite a lot, so we're gonna be using this one a lot of times today. And then for the shoes, I don't have docs, but these ones are pretty much the same thing, so these will do. The next outfit caught my attention because I just got some ties that look just like hers. So for starters, I think I'm gonna wear this Zara top. It has like a lot of holes in it. It's very, very cute and long and like baggy. I love it. And these are the star of the show. They're from Calzedonia, and they have this animal print. My skirt isn't as tiny as hers, but I can fold it. I think it will still look good. It's this one from Stradivarius, and my absolute favorite, my Naked Wolf boots. for that Bratz doll look. Okay, so next one, she's wearing a graphic tee, like a black tee with some white on it and a fishnet top. I think this Avril shirt could work for that. It has some tour dates in the back of this fishnet top from Mingle London. You can literally use your regular fishnets and cut them. My best friend did that for me. There's also this picture with Jake and Johnny, and she's wearing a black graphic tee with a see-through red top. I love these see-through red tops. I see them everywhere now, but I can't find it at a store. I just see them online. I need to find them in store because I really want one. But I was thinking, since I don't have a red one, I could use a black one and then use a white top instead. So I have this baby tee. It's from Bershka, but it's an AC/DC baby top. It's really cute, and I'd wear it with this top underneath from Stradivarius. It's like see-through. It's super cute. I wore this the other day with Dua Lipa, like those band tees, really baggy graphic t-shirts, and it was really cute. She also has that iconic profile picture, the black shirt that says I love rock. I have a white one. It says I love breaking hearts, and it's a baby tee. It's really cropped up. It's really cute, really small, really tiny. This is from Stradivarius, by the way. There's also that picture of her with a star top. She's wearing a black skirt. I have this one. These are actually shorts. They're from Bershka, and as you can see, they're shorts. But it looks like a super mini skirt. I love it. I bought it in 2 colors. And yeah, this black one I think would fit. I don't know where this is from. It's just long sleeve, gray, has a black star, just like hers. But hers is like a bit longer and mine is a crop top, but same vibe. I think it will work. So yeah, now I need to clean this mess, and then I think I'm gonna put on some of the outfits and try to go out and, I'm not gonna say recreate her pictures, but try and take some pictures. Maybe if I find some similar backgrounds, who knows. But yeah, I also need to reapply my lipstick because I took a break for lunch and I'm tired. Being TaraYummy is hard, but it's fun. Alright, I'll see you in a sec. Alright, so that's it. I became TaraYummy for a day. I would have liked to have recreated more of her outfits. However, today the weather is not the best. And this video might already be so long, so maybe I should keep it as it is. But who knows, maybe I'll do a series for TikTok in which I recreate more of her outfits. I would have loved to do that. I've already been doing that with Sabrina Carpenter and recently Dua Lipa. So I might just add Tara in the mix. This was really fun. It was a really fun challenge. I love doing this kind of stuff. I've already done videos similar to this in the past, and I'm also working on editing another one that's gonna be the same style. But let me know who should be my next victim. I'm thinking either Sabrina Carpenter, Dua Lipa, or Nessa Barrett. Or maybe Madison Beer. A lot of you requested Madison Beer the last time I posted one of these. So who knows? Also, let me know what you think about the Tara look. I think it was super fun to do, so I liked it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. It is time to skedaddle. Bye guys.